for the following areas in Connecticut: southern Fairfield, southern New Haven, southern Middlesex, southern New London, northern New Haven, northern Middlesex and northern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey: Hudson, eastern Bergen, eastern Essex and eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, northwest Suffolk, southwest Suffolk, northern Queens, northern Nassau, southern Queens, southern Nassau, northeast Suffolk and southeast Suffolk. Blizzard warning in effect from 1 p.m. Monday to midnight Tuesday night. The National Weather Service in New York has issued a blizzard warning, which is in effect from 1 p.m. Monday to midnight Tuesday night. The blizzard watch is no longer in effect. Locations: New York City and surrounding immediate suburbs, Long Island, and most of southern Connecticut. Hazard types: heavy snow and blowing snow, with blizzard conditions. Accumulations: snow accumulation of 20 to 30 inches, with locally higher amounts possible. Snowfall rates of 2 to 4 inches per hour expected late Monday night into Tuesday morning. Winds, north 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts 55 to 65 miles per hour. Strongest across eastern Long Island. Visibilities, 1/4 mile or less at times. Temperatures, in the lower 20s. Timing: light snow will begin Monday morning, with accumulations of 1 to 3 inches possible by the evening rush. Snow will pick up in intensity Monday evening, with the heaviest snow and strongest winds from about midnight Monday night into Tuesday afternoon. Impacts: life-threatening conditions and extremely dangerous travel due to heavy snowfall and strong winds, with whiteout conditions. Secondary and tertiary roads may become impassable. Strong winds may down power lines and tree limbs. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. All unnecessary travel is discouraged beginning Monday afternoon to allow people already on the road to safely reach their destinations before the heavy snow begins and to allow snow removal equipment to begin to clear roads.